はい、こんにちは。Welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Today, I'm going to show you how to pronounce long vowels. Can you tell the difference? おばさん、おばあさん、おばさん、おばあさん。おばさん is aunt or middle-aged lady. おばあさん is grandmother or old lady. So there's a big age difference between these two words. Anyway, we're going to practice how to say long vowels first, and then we're going to have a small test to find out if you can tell where there's a long vowel. Now, let's start with the pronunciation. Japanese has 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. When you say long vowels, you just prolong the vowel sound twice as long as the usual vowel. So, this means there are 5 long vowels. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. And please keep this in mind. Each Japanese hiragana and katakana has the same length. Even n and small t has the same length as the others. So of course, a long vowel is twice as long as a short vowel because long vowels are written with 2 letters. A, 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 A. Asa means morning, and asa is the Japanese way of saying the name Arthur. Asa, 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 asa. If you're not sure how long the long vowel should be, try to say it longer than you think you need to. Saying it longer is much better than saying it shorter. If you say it shorter, it's easily taken as a short vowel. If you want to say asa, if you say it like asa, it sounds like asa, morning. If you say it like asa, it's obviously asa. So longer is better than shorter. So try to say it longer. The other long vowels are the same. You just prolong the sound twice as long as the usual vowel. Let's practice I and I. I. I, ine, 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 rice plant, ine, good or like, ine, 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 ine. When you say u, don't pout too much and your mouth isn't round. U, yes, no. And are casual ways to say yes and no. And are sometimes pronounced without opening your mouth. It's written using u, but it's sometimes pronounced as and Be careful with the pitch. Pitch is important, especially with these kinds of words. So, and Okay, so this is the exception of the pitch rule. There's a rule that once pitch falls, it never rises again in the same word. Another exception can be or those interjections, but normal words pitch never rises again once it drops. So, this is the exception, okay? Anyway, if you move your head like this, it means no. If you do this, misunderstanding wouldn't be likely to occur. So, You also use this a lot when you're listening to somebody. Next, e. It's not a, it's e. So don't change the shape of your mouth till the end. Ego, ego in Japanese, and ego English. Ego. Please say it together. Ego. So ego is written as a, but it's read as a Of course, it's not wrong to say 英語 because it's written as 英語 but 英語 is more natural 英語英語お again it's not O but O don't change the shape of your mouth here either 奥 deep inside 奥 a lot 奥 Okay, say it together 奥 Sometimes we use this 奥 with son meaning wife, your wife, or someone else's wife 奥さんお元気ですか How is your wife? 奥さんお元気ですか Now let's practice long vowels following after a consonant おばさんおばあさんおばさんおばあさんおばさん aunt or middle-aged woman おばあさん grandmother or old lady Please say it together おばさんおばあさんおばさんおばあさん Okay, next one おじさん uncle or middle-aged man おじいさん grandfather or old man おじさんおじいさんおじさんおじいさんおじさんおじいさん Okay, next one ビル building ビール beer ビルビールビルビールビルこのビルでっかいですねこのビルでっかいですねビールビール飲みに行きましょうビールビール飲みに行きましょうビルビールビールビール Next 地図チーズチーズチーズ Okay 地図 map チーズ cheese チーズチーズチーズチーズ Next let's compare three words 佐渡 the name of an island 佐渡 the baseball term third baseman 佐渡 and 佐渡 tea ceremony 佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡 Okay, so for example 佐渡に行ったことありますか Have you ever been to 佐渡 Island? 佐渡に行ったことありますか佐渡に行ったことありますか僕のポジションはサードです僕のポジションはサードです佐渡やったことあります佐渡やったことあります佐渡やったことあります佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡佐渡 Guess which one I say 佐渡佐渡 Yes, it's third. Okay, next one. 佐渡佐渡 Tea ceremony and 佐渡佐渡 Again, I said tea ceremony. And lastly, 佐渡 Oh, sorry. Again, I said 佐渡 Okay, the real last one. 佐渡佐渡 Yes, it's the name of island, Sado Island. Now let's do some real tests. The first test. I'll tell you 7 words. Please point out which ones have long vowels. Some words may not have any long vowels, and some words have more than one. Do you have a pen and a piece of paper? Are you ready? 1. ビールビール 2. 地図地図 3. 茶道茶道 4. いいねいいね 5. おじいさんおじいさん 6. おばさんおばさん 7. アーサーアーサー The answer is number 1, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Now I'll tell you again with subtitles. And also I'm going to tell the numbers in Japanese. 1. ビール ビール。2、地図。地図。3、茶道。茶道。4、いいね。いいね。5、おじいさん。おじいさん。6、おばさん。おばさん。7、アーサー。アーサー。Maybe they were too easy for you. Now let's do some more difficult ones. Please look at this. Point out which katakana I read with a long vowel. It'll be easier if you write them down first on your paper. Are you ready? じゃあいいですか？ 1、YouTube。YouTube。I hope you know what this means. 2、コンピューター。コンピューター。コンピューター。コンピューター。3、スター・ウォーズ。スター・ウォーズ。4、サード。サード。Here are the answers and I'm gonna read it again. 1、YouTube。YouTube。2、コンピューター。コンピューター。3、スター・ウォーズ。スター・ウォーズ。4、サード。サード。If you can recognize long vowels, then you can say them. That's about it today. Thank you, Janet, for checking this script. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand long vowels. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment box below. I might be able to make follow-up videos from them. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and feel free to share this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye! またね! 頑張ってね!